Agama gele, 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 gele.
Great one. Please, tell us. We want to know the spirit residing in our daughter. And what business does she have against us?
Agama gele, 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 gele. Agama gele, 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 gele. Agama gele, 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 gele. A very vengeful and dark spirit. You all has hurt her in her past life.
I know Chinaza always talks about her past life and how she was hurt. And she always says that we're all the same. So if one of us hurt her in her past life, why then is she terrorizing the whole village?
Yes. A lot of married women are under her control. And a lot of marriage is broken. Being assaulted by their husbands, using their wives.
No one is innocent. It all started in a rich couple's family. The villagers foolishly shamed her, humiliated her, and drove her to her death.
Wise one. This story sounds familiar to my ears. Have I heard of it somewhere?
Yes. You have not only heard about it, you partook of it. Her vengeance is with your family and everyone around you. Her name is Adana, a helpless maiden that only wished to survive and take care of her father that is sick.
Are you talking about Adana, my former maid, who ended her life in front of us?
Ma, please, I just got a call from the village. My father is very sick and I need money to treat him. I was thinking maybe I could get some advance salary.
Advance what?
Salary.
I should pay you for a job that you have not done. Is that how you work?
Please, Ma. My father is very sick and I really, really need to take care of him.
Okay. It's okay. Don't worry. Let me give you some money. You want to collect money from me? You are so thick-skinned. You want to collect the money from me? Your father is sick, so what does that have to do with me?
Please, Ma, I need to save my father, please.
How do you expect me to pay you for a job you have not done? How?
Ma,
let your father die. Yes, he is sick. Let him die.
Ma.
That is what he deserves. After all, he's a burden on you. Is it not a burden? By the time he dies, the little money I pay you as a maid, you will be able to save it, and that will sustain you. Let him die. Rubbish. Don't stress me. I am not giving you any money. I can't pay you for a job you have not done.
Just advance.
What is wrong with you? My friend, get out of this place. I say you should get out. Get out. Get out. I can only give you money month end. That is for your salary. Rubbish. If you dare ask me for money again, let it stupid man down. I think that's actual money.
What is wrong with you? Why are you crying?
So my father is critically ill and I cannot save him. I asked madam for some advance salary payment, but she refused me.
I'm so sorry. I'm sorry about that. As long as it's still breathing, it's not late. How much is it? I will give it to you. Tell me. How much?
Sir, you will do that for me.
Oh, yes. And then I want to do it for you because you know that I love you. Yes. I had to get myself drunk to be able to confess my feelings towards you. I want you.
Okay, you cannot be loving me or you are married. You just give me the money, let me go, please.
Fine. No, it's done. It's done. If you take a good look at me, you see that I'm not happy. Yes, I'm not happy. I feel like my wife, she's more focused on looking perfect with me outside. She doesn't care about me. What type of woman says no to her husband constantly, complaining of how tired she is to make love to me? You see, I want you.
Oh God, that has nothing to do with me. Please just give me the money, let me go, please.
No.
Father is dying, please.
You're not understanding the chemistry. Let me make it make sense. And then you see this money, I'm going to give it to you. If I take it, I'll give it to you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yes,
Thank
it's
you.
to show you how much I want you.
So this will go a long way for my
Yes.
father. Oh God, please.
What did the doctor say? Was it just malaria fever?
No, she's pregnant. And she needs to tell us who is responsible. It's better start talking. Who got you pregnant?
Who? Who did?
Madam Tonga. He said said that he loves me.
Oh, wow.
I know doing it with him was very wrong, but I felt pity and sorry for him.
Out of pity. So you gave him a pity sex. He told you he loves you. You not pitied him. You not gave him a pity sex. Are you listening to yourself? Are you listening to yourself? What do you have to say?
My love, I was drunk when it happened. I wasn't myself.
Oga, how can you say that? You told me you had few drinks to muster the courage to confess. How can you take advantage of me and deny it? Please tell Madame the truth, please.
And you say I'm the boss to talk because I'm being calm. Eh? No. I don't understand. You took advantage of him and you dare to blame him. No. What's your plan? You want to get back at me? You want to shame me? You want the whole world? You just want to show the whole world that we are not a perfect couple that they think we are? Then what is your plan? You pitied him. You gave him a pity sex. And then you are pregnant. How could you take advantage of a vulnerable man at his vulnerable moment?
I did not take advantage of
You do it!
No.
Just go up there.
Ma, please.
Get your bags. Leave my house.
Please, Ma, please.
Don't. You see, I'm being gentle, sis. I'm not reacting because at the end of the day, this man is the one shaming me, not just you. I said you should get out of this house. Get out! Get out! Get out of my house. Are you stupid? I will show you something. Uncle, pity sex collector. So they pitied you. Look at a maid. A maid saying that he pitied you. He felt pity for you. He gave you a pity sex. And you accept the pity sex with your heart. Now she's pregnant with a pity child. So you are going to have a pitiable child. A bastard. Pity bastard. You're not ashamed. You stoop so low with a maid. I just don't want to talk to you. I don't have your time yet. Let me finish with her.
It was never...
Don't talk. You don't have the right to say nothing. Just keep quiet. Rubbish. And you, what are you still doing up there? What are you still doing? Pity sex.
Stop crying. Eh? It is okay. I have seen the way the village is treating you. And honestly, I do not like it. Listen, I don't know what else to do. I know you are pregnant. So I brought food for you. Hmm? I also brought money for you here. Please, eat. And then use the money and find your way back home. Okay?
I cannot go home. My father is very sick. He will die hearing about this. Please take me home with you. I beg you, please.
I'm so sorry. I cannot. And I cannot do more than I have done already. If the villagers even know that I'm here, giving you food or money, they're going to punish me as well. Listen. Okay, is a very big taboo here. I am not supposed to be associating with anybody that has a child out of wedlock. So please, Eh? Just manage what I have given you. I know you have not eaten, but for the sake of the child, eat and then find a way to carry on. Heal and move on with your life. You know, go.
Please don't leave me here, I beg you, please. I'm with child. Look at me with pity, please. Please don't leave
I'm
me
sorry.
here.
I cannot do more than this, please. Just help yourself. Oh, that is why I gave you money. Help yourself.
Please. Please help me. Please help me. Please help
And what is the reason for this drunkenness? You miss her? Oh, you really love her. And that's why you're this miserable since I sent her away. Is it?
I am miserable because I am guilty. I got her pregnant and I couldn't take responsibility. Allow me to be held accountable for my past mistakes and my actions. I feel like a coward.
She should have stopped you from sleeping with her. When she knew you were drunk. After all, I did not hear the word rape in a story. Obviously means it's consensual, right?
So why then does she have to pay for what we both did willingly? My wife, please, temper justice with mercy. Let's allow her give birth in this house, then we can send her away. We can't just send her to the street like this. It's not human.
I don't care. And you have to stop thinking like Sissy. And I will not have my maid live in my house. Like my mates carrying your child when I don't have a child of my own. Did you get that? I can't allow her make me a laughing stock in the village. How do you want people to look at me? She wants to shame me? Listen, we will continue to live like the perfect picture couple that everybody knows about. And that's the only reason why I have not killed you for betraying me. Rubbish. No.
Let's back and come on.
Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ.
So let the world know her story. She died amidst life, betrayals and suffering. She was a good person. But man's humanity turned her to a bad person, an evil spirit, an agent of chaos. Now all she wants is to give her unjust death justice.
Great one. Please. Now we know the reason for our affections and torments. What can we do? What can we do to come out of this terrible situation that is affecting my family?
There must be a way to appease this restless spirit. Agamagele, gele, gele, gele.
You will ask the spirit what it would take to appease her restless spirit. Now that you know that your deed, your scheme, and your manipulation is the reason why you're suffering, and your daughter is the weapon of destruction. Ngozi has been given the capacity to stand against spirits. She has been equipped with a weapon to oppose the oppressors.
Thank you, Great Madeza. I shall find a way to free those under her captivity and find a way to put her restless spirits back to rest.
Agada godo agado golo singa. Agada godo agado golo singa. Yo! Akaso! Agada go. It is time! Oh yeah. It is time. Ogerigala. Akatamo. Akaso. Yo. Today is that great day. A united day. We all are gathered here to liberate our brothers, our sisters, our wives from the shackles and the stronghold of witchcraft and evil spirit. Everything is ready. Everything is ready to weaken her spirit, to liberate everyone she has held captives, to liberate them. Cleanse. Cleanse. Cleanse.
That is not my best picture.
Auntie, you'd have told me to post something recent and new. And as for your wives, there shall be no liberation.
Never. That will not happen over my dead body.
Attack!
Not again. Not again. Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Hey! Hey! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it!
I smell some evil pollution around you. Your innocence and pureness has gone after the fortification and ritual that I was undergoing.
I guess my pureness will not stop you. Chinaza, I have come again to give you another opportunity to stop your havoc. Or I'll be forced to stop you.
It seems you have acquired much power. But Ngozi, this is not your fight. They must pay for what they did to me in the past. I need my justice.
And you think this will give you justice? You think this will help your soul to achieve peace? No. You will only become more evil. And soon, a demon will feed on your evil spirit and gain strength.
You know so much about the dead. Did you live through it while gaining powers?
I needed access to immortality to fight a spirit. I saw it all.
But you're still human and can be killed. You have really acquired much powers. But I won't go easy on you.
And I am ready for you.
Oh God. Jesus. Orugo no dear. Eh? So tell me, which of you is here? Is it Chinaza or Adanna?
Which one do you want it to be? Speak. Because Chinaza and Adanna share the same pain and memories.
I do not understand. In the midst of the hatred and everything, I was kind to you. I gave you food. I gave you money to find your way home. So how? How could you even think of tormenting me? I do not understand it. How?
You gave me money when I told you I had no home. You refused to give me shelter. You were just like them when you refused to help me.
It was just me. One person. How could I have challenged hundreds? How?
Your silence made me lose hope and willpower it to go on. You made me lose my humanity. If only you had helped me, at least I would have had a little bit of goodness in me.
So, because of that, you made me carry a child just for you to reincarnate. Tell me, is it a blessing or a curse giving birth to Chinaza?
When you look at Chinaza, What do you think? Isn't she beautiful? Is her beauty a blessing or a curse?
This has been inside of me for months. Look at what your daughter has put inside of me. Lizard! Lizard! Inside of me. Natame is gone.
We need to find a way to end this, or she will not stop coming.
I see her approaching. She's on her way to this place. Mom, you have your freedom now. I'll breathe in something into you, so you'll be immune to her afflictions.
My daughter, not if whatever you intend to do will drain you. I see how greatly affected your strength was when you expelled that evil.
Yes.
You need time to also take care of yourself.
That is right.
While you're trying to liberate others, it's extremely essential and shouldn't be neglected.
Do you have to be so noisy when you visit?
That is only when my visit is not for peace, but the fourth warning of danger.
I am here now, and I'll protect them.
Not from my wrath. I can see you all already know why I'm here and who I am.
Yes. We know who you are now and why you are here. But I'm going to plead with you to have mercy. Tell us what to do. Tell us how we can appease your soul so that this torment will come to an end.
You beg for forgiveness. You seek for peace. How can you seek for that? For the wicked.
We are sorry for all the evil, for everything that we have done wrong, the unforgivable, the unthinkable. But I assure you that we are ready and willing to make the right decision. We are at your mercy and we plead for your forgiveness.
You want to make things right. The only way my soul will be at peace is when I see you all suffer. And death shall be your last option. I am here, and you all will face my wrath.
I don't care if that girl is your blood. She has to die. Yes, she has to be killed. I don't care. What?
What she needs is your confession. Moving further to kill her will further anger the spirit. Don't you feel sorry for your past? For all you have done to her? How can you speak without remorse?
I will fight to finish life after life. You gonna know this is fight. That is always payback time.
I heard you are looking for the evil spirit that has been tormenting this whole village, including me.
Yes, that is correct. To kill her. We are done with a continuous torment. In fact, killing her is the only way to liberate our wives under her spell.
But you know you cannot kill a spirit. You cannot. You will only kill the vessel. And the evil spirit will jump out of that vessel, enter another person, and continue its torments.
Leave down when they talk. See, you just they discourage us. You just talk talking will make us change our mind. But you know the war. Because you don't see your pikin. The evil they talk about, they stay inside your pikin body.
Exactly.
See, madam, make I tell you. As far as this village and we concerned, we don't convey your pikin.
So your daughter is as good as dead.
And we no go show her mercy, oh. No mercy for her. Today, we dey kill her today.
Wow.
Ha!
If you succeed in killing my daughter, and the evil spirit comes out of her and enter another person, will you continue killing and killing and killing until you end up wiping out the whole village?
That is the problem.
Listen to me. Listen to me. We have to find another way because it will not work. Let us find another way and send this evil spirit back where it came from.
We have tried all that. We even attempted a ritual, but the spirit would not allow. See, if everyone here stops, I will not stop. I must make sure I put an end to the one who carries the spirit and liberate our wives.
If we kill the daughter, we have killed the spirit. What?
In this life, in this life, born to a boss. She's born to a boss.
Man. Honey? What is going on here?
So you were told that killing the vessel in me, the evil spirit, will die? Huh? Who advised you to make such foolish decision?
So, honey? Is this still you? Why are you speaking strangely?
You want to kill me, right? You want to kill me? Eh? Go ahead and kill me. Kill the evil spirit in your wife's body. Kill me and see if it will end me. Go ahead and kill me.
Oh, you are instigating my kill my wife? You evil spirit! Out of her now!
See you. You want to protect your wife. But when it was someone else's loved one, you were so determined to kill without even thinking twice. Don't worry, kill me now. If you do not drop that weapon down, I will end your wife's life now. At this minute. My queen. My queen. My queen, you're so beautiful. My queen.
afraid. You know, chichiri, nanogo. Everybody is afraid because evil child, Chinaza. Because evil child, Chinaza. Evil child, Chinaza.
I know you all want this torment and suffering to end. And you want me to tell you how it ends. Today I will have mercy on you and end this suffering. Take this. Use it on your husband.
As command, my queen.
I have sympathized with you. I have felt your pain for all you went through. But their death, it will never give you peace. Unless you let it go.
This is not your fight, Ngozi. You don't know how it feels to be betrayed and lied upon. And have to take your life when life becomes unbearable.
I will not let that happen. Just as you were born to bring chaos, I was born to bring peace.
Then I will end you. Are you sad because you could not speak in the face of injustice? Or you're sad because of your daughter's life?
I am sad because a young girl died, believing that she was not worth saving. And the world moved on like nothing happened. If the villagers had listened to her and showed her a little bit of compassion, she'll still be alive and there'll be peace. I am sad because I was not brave enough to help or to speak up.
And now you shall pay for it. I manipulated you into sleeping with Mr. Ejike, so I could come through you. Uke is a taboo in our community. That was your exact word. That was the reason you couldn't help me during my pregnancy.
But you forget there was nothing I could do. You forget that there was no way I could have taken care of you throughout your pregnancy.
You had compassion, but you couldn't use it.
Listen, just spare my daughter. That is all I am asking you to do. You can take me instead, please.
you want to do?
What does it look like? I'm trying to end my life, hoping that my death will finally give yours justice and find rest in the afterlife. Why did you stop me? Do you feel sorry for me?
No, I don't. I'm actually happy you're killing yourself. But you don't get to choose the easy way.
Is that what you did many years ago when you killed yourself and made me look responsible for your death? Was that the easy way?
Yes. When life becomes unbearable, difficult, and painful, death has to be the only option.
I don't find dying easy. But if it's the only thing that I have to do to end this torment and appease your soul, I want you to know that I've left with no other alternative. Willingly, I shall die.
Then you must wait for my instructions and command. I decide how you and your wife dies. If you die now, the justice I seek won't be served. Wait for my instructions.
What have I gotten myself into in my family? Adana. I am finished.
What are you doing? Go and get your things. We're leaving.
What do you mean leaving? You mean we're running away? Did you forget to have a mission and I must see it to the end?
See what to the end? Eh? I don't know why you are taking those words serious. I love you. And I would die if anything happens to you. This battle is not your fight. Let it go. Please.
It's too late, Mom. I already embraced my purpose. I can't live without achieving my aim.
Which is?
To stop Chinaza and end having of terror in this village.
Ngozi, you are not omnipresent. Neither are you omniscient. You are not everywhere to save everyone. I almost died that day without even thinking it. I would have died.
But you didn't. Because I was on time to save you.
Ngozi.
I am the only one who can oppose her. I can't run away, leaving this mission and power.
Do you think if I had lived long, we would have become good friends?
We cannot tell now. Because you decided to end it all. Because you were a coward. And you decided to die instead of to live and fight. Now you go around blaming everyone else but yourself for losing the will to live.
Did someone tell you provoking me will make me rest? That's a very bad advice.
Let my daughter go. You have used her long enough. My daughter deserves to live a normal life like every other teenager.
Your daughter was created for my mission. There is no Chinaza without Adana's mission. So don't think you have a child.
I am very sure in your mind you think I am weak. I am not weak. I will fight you. I will fight with everything I have to make sure that I rescue my daughter from you. Even if I die doing it, I will come back as a spirit and I will fight you fire for fire.
Blah, blah, blah. So whatever. Now your voice is loud. When was this loud voice when I was being oppressed so many years ago?
Let's just say that you taught me not to run in the face of injustice, to stay and to fight. Now that I have learned it, I will start with you.
You not to interfere. Oh, they didn't tell you. They didn't tell you that if you use much of your powers, your heart will stop beating.
It does not matter. I do not fear for my life. I only fear your reign of chaos, and I would rather die than see you enslave everyone.
Ngozi, I liked you. I thought you could see the evil I see in humans. That's why I kept on appearing in your dreams. But it seems you want to end me, and I won't let you. Attack her! I will end you!
Mrs. Ejike Pakialodango. Come
out! Come out!
Mrs. Ejike Pakialodango. Evil woman. Mrs. Ejike Pakialodango. Mrs. Ejike Pakialodango. Evil woman, Mrs. Ejike Pakialodango.
Enough! The hour of truth has come. Some of our women has been made to suffer for something they did not know.
Hi. A lie was told against an innocent girl some years ago. We have paid for the sins of our ignorance. And because we were manipulated by you, Mrs. Ejike, to humiliate and chase that girl away.
You will confess the truth this instant, or we'll be forced to carry out justice on that girl's behalf.
I have not stopped regretting my actions. Honestly, I was trying to protect my marriage. Yes, she was innocent. Yes, she slept with my husband. But she never said this thing. And my husband have been trying to make things right ever since then. In the process of trying to protect my marriage, I did something evil. I am sorry.
All this while, some of our women have suffered for your evil seed. We will let it go because they have been liberated by your own seed. You know what? Ngozi found favor in the hearts of the gods. They have been liberated, and we also have been liberated.
So, are you saying that Chinaza has been defeated?
It doesn't look that way. I would say Ngozi has set us free, but found herself at the mercy of Chinaza.
What did you say?
have me right.
Where's
my daughter in trouble?
Where's Chinasa? Babe.
This is the dwelling place of your ancestors. I will end everything here and destroy the powers you have acquired.
I deserve anything you want to do to me. I am the daughter of the people who hurt you so bad. Just take your revenge on me and end this.
My fight is not with you, Ngozi. Your death will make my soul be at peace.
Don't you want to see them suffering? Don't you want to see them in pain? Nothing will hurt them more than watching their own daughter die for their sins.
What are you insinuating? That I should kill you? Are you tired of living? Do you want to die?
If you won't kill me, then at least just hear me out. I will make them confess before the entire village. The truth will be told at the very spot where you died. Then you'll be given a befitting burial and a cleansing ritual so you can find yourself at the white gates of the pure spirit.
It sounds tempting. I'm tempted. But will the wicked be truly sorry? Because they have passed mercy. I will torment your parents till death is their last option.
And it will never appease your soul. You will only be more evil and be the worst wandering spirit that will soon be consumed by the black demon.
Then I will take my chances.
I was even going to your place. I see you have heard the bad news.
Is my daughter okay? What is your evil daughter doing to her? Oh, Elju, what is she doing to her?
You know Adana is the one doing this. The girl, your lies and your wickedness sent to her early grave. So don't pin it on my daughter. Don't try pinning it on my daughter, Biko.
Ladies, please focus. This is not the time or place for this. Would you please speak to me? Isn't Ngozi still fine?
Chinaza got angry because Ngozi was always interfering and held her hostage. She has refused to release her, and honestly, I do not know what she's going to do. I don't.
I'm not going to allow my children suffer for my past sin. It all started with me and it will end with me.
What are you going to do? You know you cannot defeat the spirit.
The spirit wants something. My death that peace her restless soul. I must give my life to death at her command. With that, this whole thing will come to an end.
Ow! Can we just even go to where she is right now? Please, can we?
I'm bothered. Let's go.
Wow! A full house! The entire family is here! Ngozi, do you see how people care about their own, but treat others like trash?
Words are not enough to express how deeply sorry that I am for the past. I almost became an alcoholic when I thought about how I failed you that very day. But I needed to pick up myself for my child, because life is for the living. If the living made you angry, and you demand my death for justice to seem completely served, willingly, I will submit myself to your command, and you will tell me how you want me to end my life.
You, Mrs. Ejike, are you willing to atone with your life? Are you willing to give up your life for that of your daughters?
What must we do? As long as my daughter Ngozi is safe, will we give our life to end this? As it all started with us. Adana, I know I'm a bad person, I'm wicked and I'm evil. You didn't deserve all the evil done to you. Please. Please. I am sorry, Adana. I am truly sorry. Please.
My death took two lives. That of my unborn child and mine. I see that you came prepared. But your death will not appease my soul. I need to see you willingly end your life. I want you to end your life. I want you to feel like death is your only option.
No one possesses the power to subject anyone under their control and make them spill their own blood. By the bond we share as father and daughter, by the power bestowed on me by our forefathers, I call you back to yourself! Renew to myself!
Hey! Kedunwan! Naza! Where did she go? Yeah? Ngozi! Ngozi, what have you done?
What I should have done a long time ago!
My child! Mom! My child!
I don't know, please! I don't know, please! Please, I'm so bad! Please, don't kill me! Please! I don't know! I don't know, please!
Dana, please, don't kill my child. Don't hurt my child. I am begging you. Is this how you want it to end? You want to take her just to make me cry?
Why? I gave her to you, and I can take her back. She was the vessel that I needed. Now that I know taking this life will make you miserable, maybe my soul can finally find peace.
Then you spill the blood of the innocent and be an evil spirit forever. Is it worth it?
You cannot tell me what is worth it or not. I will do whatever it takes to make sure my soul find peace.
If you take her, what do you stand to gain? This girl is the only person that shared your memory and your pain. She allowed you to use her body to fight. And she never resisted you for one day. Because she knows your pain. And she wanted to fight with you for justice. Now that you want to retire, you want to go with her? Why?
You cannot change my mind. You all deserve the pain and misery you are going through right now. I was in pain! I lost my life! And that of the life of my child! You all must die!
A body that once felt the pain and shared your memory now begs for freedom. Let Chinaza's spirit and her eagerness for freedom has to live as herself in her own body. We are no! Let me! No!
Hey!
I'm free! I'm free! Mommy, I'm free! I'm free! I'm free! Because you thank you.
Paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Yay, I won!
Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Two. Okay. One last. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
So what?
Your mark. It's gone. Why? What does that mean?
It means I can finally live like an ordinary teenage girl. The mark came when the evil spirit arrived. With the spirit gone, he has no need to remain.
You're right. At least we can live like a normal teenager, like you said. No more fighting against evil spirit or opposing.
I agree. Nothing changes the fact that we are special, and the village is going to talk about our story for a very long time.
About that, those women, they're still scared of me. I think I traumatized them a lot.
No, not you. You did nothing wrong. Adana, the aggrieved spirit, did. You're a kind and beautiful soul. I bless the heavens for giving me a good sister like you.
Sisters forever. Yeah, let's continue.
Rock, paper.
I'm happy this whole thing has passed, and I'm very happy I stood by you.
Honestly.
I love you so much. I can't love you any less.
I know. The fact that you didn't give up on me, I will always love you.
I can't give up on you, baby.
If you're so scared, then how do you intend to take care of my mother? Protect her.
You know, I've not recovered from the last time, you know. I'm still recovering. I'm really scared. It's not easy to be dumb. Baby. Ask the community. They are aware of this. It was not easy for me, okay? Even at that, I still find myself running back to your mom. I love her so much more than my life. I really do love your mom, I do.
I know you love her unconditionally.
I really do, I do.
And she deserves someone who will care and take care of her. She's the best. She never gives up on me.
My child. Mom. My priceless jewel. I am so happy to hear this. I am really happy to hear this from you. I never knew a day like this would come. I am so happy that everything is okay now. I missed you. Manajero, are you happy? Are you okay?
Yes, Mother.
Are they treating you well in your father's house? Listen. If you don't want to stay there anymore and you want to come back and live with me, do it. I want you to come back.
Mother, I'm okay. I'm fine. Mommy Ngozi is still scared of me. But from the Adana's evil spirit stuff, she's becoming a good person. And as for my dad, he's trying to make up for the time that he was not with me. And Ngozi, she's a good sister. I thank God for giving me a sister just like her. Mommy, I'm fine. And you also have to be fine for me.
I promise you, I'll be a good daddy to you. A good daddy.
It's okay. Listen, let us go inside. Let me prepare ufentedo for you. All right. Let's go.
Nothing goes for nothing. Nothing goes for nothing. In this life. In this life. Born to a boss. She's born to a boss. Whoa, yeah, fight to finish. Life after life. If you believe it, you could know this is fight. There is always payback time. To everything we do, it doesn't matter how long it takes.